Alright, now let's open up our Samsung Galaxy S10 box and see what's inside. We have the terms and conditions and the inbox guide, along with the notification about your on-device screen protector. And we also have our SIM ejector tool, which you could use for inserting your SIM and SD card into your device. Then we have the Galaxy S10 itself. Nice. 3 cameras on the back. Fantastic. Now also in this box, we have our adaptive fast wall charger. It's going to be great for fast charging your device. And then we have this USB connector here. You're going to want to hold on to that for things such as Smart Switch from your old device. And we also have the USB cable. You can use that to connect to the wall charger. Last but not least, we have our AKG earbuds, which you can plug right into the headphone jack on your Galaxy S10.